Good morning, Newton fam. How are you guys doing? I'm going to try to be quiet here because Bree is still asleep. And remember, we did that little game. We shook hands and said prank war is on. So I woke up early, got in the car, went to go buy fireworks, of course, because we're going to need it for New Year's and all. But I bought some stuff and I figured, why don't I just not wake her up and say, babe, I went shopping. Why don't I wake her up with some fireworks? Let's see what we can do. Shh, no snitching. Alright guys, Violet is up. Say good morning to the vlog, Violet.
Good morning to the vlog, Daddy. Not get Mommy.
Good, baby. We're gonna get Mommy.
Yeah.
These are the few little things that I've gotten. Okay, of course I got smoke bombs and stuff. But this... Right? Oops. This is exactly what I need. Exactly what I needed to say. Alright guys, remember, don't try this at home because it's probably not the smartest move. Alright, we'll make sure that we keep a bottle of water or the fire extinguisher somewhere close just in case. Alright, let's go. So what I came up with is I'm gonna just do 2 of them, alright? And I'm just gonna do it in the bucket. That way it doesn't put a hole in anything, and if anything shoot out, we have some kind of surrounding walls, alright? Let's see how it works. Good morning! Guys, that did not work out so good. Putting a hole in the freaking thing. Wake up! Guys, she doesn't want to wake up, so today is going to be, I don't know. We're just going to torture her all day until she gets up. You're going to get up.
Stop, bro. Like, what the heck? You know how late I was awake.
Your room is destroyed. Destroyed.
She's eating my candy.
2 hours later.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Newton fam. If you guys are a first-time viewer, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This is going to be funny. It is another competition, which I lost the last one. If you guys remember, we did the Don't Laugh Challenge with water. I know my jokes are funnier. You guys are just better at not laughing, so we let Bree have that one.
Yep. So now we are doing the Christmas cookie challenge. So we're gonna set a timer for 5 minutes and see who can eat the most cookies. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had these cookies. They're frosted sugar cookies and they're really doughy. So I got us some water because it's probably gonna be hard to eat these at a fast pace.
And not that I'm making an excuse, but me and Violet already ate breakfast, alright? Bree didn't eat breakfast yet. Not that it's an excuse or anything, but it's something to think about.
Yeah, you guys saw that I didn't eat breakfast because I wanted to sleep in, but somebody thought it would be nice to prank me.
Happy New Year's, love. I'm just starting early. So, yeah, the bucket got destroyed, by the way. Didn't work out how I planned on it, but everyone's getting pranks. Remember, we shook hands in our first prank video, or our first competition video, and said, hey, prank war is on. No one died, but the bucket. And that was about it. Anyways, I'm ready to win to get this day started. So, if you guys are ready, we will get started. I'm going to go ahead and... No, you're not. You're not going to win at all. I'm going to keep going. If I throw up, just be ready, alright? Viewer discretion advised.
Open the cookies. I'm gonna open my water because
Get ready!
I have to set the timer. Let's see.
Don't worry, the timer will be on the screen.
Yeah, the timer will be on the screen for you guys, but let me set the timer. So, where do you set the timer? Oh, clock. Haha, I don't know how to set a timer. Is it a stopwatch or timer? Okay, timer. So we're gonna timer for 5 minutes and 0 seconds. So 5 minutes is set on the timer. You ready?
Get set.
And
Hold on. You could pick one up for get set.
no, it's
Okay.
ready, set, go.
Go! First of all, cheating works.
Here, switch it. Yeah.
It's good?
No,
Doughy?
Doughy.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Oh.
This is harder than I thought.
It's so doughy. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm gonna have gas later.
Oh.
I'll say ooh yeah.
You're not either.
Which I gotta eat the cookie. But the icing will be ate later.
That's cheating.
Who said cheaters never win?
You can't cheat. I'm on my second one.
Terrible.
Really bad. Oh
Mom.
my goodness.
Oh my god, I feel sick.
Oh,
There's too much icing.
There's too much dough.
That is disgusting.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You suck. You're cheating. Oh my god. Not good.
Oh, we should do like a cheese ball challenger. Who can eat the most like
Guys, this is so doughy.
hamburgers?
I can't.
Oh god.
I know.
Already, I'm 4 cookies in.
You're such a cheater. I'm actually eating them. I'm literally only on my 3rd cookie. I don't think we thought this
1, 2,
through
3,
about
4,
how
5.
doughy. What are you doing?
I haven't waited. Just don't worry. You worry about your cookies.
You're wasting cookies.
Rotate. Matter of fact, put your I seen this on TV. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my god, I can't do this.
Oh.
I can't do this. I'm done. Oh my god. They're gonna lose. What are you doing?
Be ready. You want to eat like a champion? You gotta be ready, girl. Oh yeah.
I can't stand you.
Voila.
Oh my god.
This is good.
I can't keep going. I'm gonna pick.
We really ate 3 whole cookies.
I don't think I can eat anymore. I think I'm gonna puke.
Alright, yeah. How much time?
I'll give a whole another minute.
Hold on.
50 seconds. Alright, I quit. I won. There's no way he's gonna catch up. I ate the cookies.
Guys, you tell me who won. Check this out. Alright, first of all, that was disgusting. Super hard, super doughy. It's not like it was chocolate chip or cookies and cream or something. Just like a regular hard base cookie. This thing is huge. Let me show you. This thing, guys, is ridiculous. It's huge. It's thick. And look how soft it is. It's so brittle. Like, I want to throw up. Anyways, let me show you the tactic. So here, of course, is where I destroyed my first cookie. Rest in peace. All right, so that's one cookie down. All right, this is about 10%, so 1 in 10. All right, this one is 50% gone. We took another 25, another 25, another 25, another 25. So that's one cookie in itself right there.
You're so full of it.
So that's what I did. I mean, pretty much half a cookie, quarter of a cookie, quarter. You add all those quarters up, you got some dollars somewhere. And then this cookie, rest in peace, that one died. She just decided to devour all of them. So that's how that worked out. So who do you think won? I think I won personally because who can eat the most cookies. So by definition, eat means consume. I consumed this cookie. I consumed it.
Oh, you're
I did not
full of it.
finish.
You're full
All right,
of it.
that's
You're
see.
such a cheater.
No. To win, think about it. They said who can eat the most cookies.
Okay,
I ate the most cookies. We didn't say consume. That's what I'm talking about.
You just said.
Who can consume? All right, play it back. Let me
Whoever
play it back
eats the
real
most
quick.
cookies wins.
Who can consume the most cookies, right? Who can eat the most cookies? We didn't say who can finish the most cookies.
This is
so
not fair. You always do this.
in the comments below, I would like you guys to please comment and let us know who you believe win. Bree, because Bree finished all 3 complete cookies, or me, because I ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cookies. I ate cookies. Bree finished 3 cookies. I ate 7 cookies. Honestly, I think I won because there's no legality to this. There's no rules and regulations. We said who can eat the most. All right, someone could be like, oh, I ate a cheeseburger today. We didn't finish the cheeseburger, but they ate the cheeseburger. Therefore, we said who can eat the most cookies. I ate 7 cookies. Bree finished 3 cookies. Who won? Please let me know.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. All right. So we don't believe in wasting food. And if anyone I know that can destroy cookies is my boy Moses.
Why don't you give him one that you're
Disgusting sound I've ever heard.
Do not give him any more.
Okay, he have
That's
diarrhea.
enough. Yeah, he will get
Moses
sick.
devoured the cookie, guys. Good?
Was it good, boy?
Did you like the
Was
cookie?
it good? Was it good, boy? Yeah, you're gonna need some water, huh? Yeah, you want some more? You want some more? You can't have any more, but I'll give you a treat. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We do want to again wish you guys a happy new year, and we have some exciting stuff. We're going to be regularly vlogging all this year, and we're really excited about it.
Yes, we are. Again, guys, thank you for staying tuned. We're going to do little things like this. There's a lot of great competitions out there, especially through spouses and stuff, so let us know. Some things are like, hey, this might be really cool.
Yeah.
Your ideas count. You guys are the ones viewing the content, watching the channel, supporting and liking. So we would like to do stuff you guys would like to see. You know, these are things that me and Bree, or Bree and I, come up with ourselves. And we just want to make it more fun for the channel and do crazy things.
So if there is a challenge, a couple challenge, eating challenge, pranking challenge, anything like that, something crazy that you guys want to see us do, just comment it below on any video and we'll most likely be open to it.
Well, that is it for challenges for us. I challenge you guys to like, subscribe, and please share this video. Until then, the Newton fam, we out.